Hey, traders, what's up? Welcome back to TA with Rec. I'm your host. What is happening? Well, I think it has a lot to do with kind of the situation going on around the world, and I'm not here to really talk about that. I'm just here to kind of show what the charts are showing. But Russia did have is on the downswing today. Their stock market is not looking good today. I forgot what the ticker was. Russia futures. Forgot which one it was. Let's see. Let me see if I can find it real quick, because I didn't want to look at it. But RI1. Is it this one? Yeah, here we go. Russia index futures, current contract in front. Yeah, it's not looking good today. So let's take a look. So think about it like this. This closed in 13 hours, so their time frame is 12 hours, 9 o'clock in the morning. So from today at the start, we did drop 13%, which is not good. As you can see, they've definitely been in the downtrend for a little bit of a second. And that's obviously just confirming the downtrend. Take a look at the weekly. As you can see, just right off the bat, gonna head this top over here. And you created another top, and it looks like you definitely confirmed your third top. When we go into the daily, as you can see here, you definitely had multiple days that you try to go ahead and try and break that. That didn't happen. Obviously, you went down. Same thing here. Try to break above this level, and you just kind of couldn't. So straight up, straight down, up, down, up, down. All right. You can kind of get rid of this one too. Straight down, straight up, whatever. Up, down, up, down. Looks like you're gonna go back to test possibly 10,000, 103, 970, or however they do it. I'm gonna assume that this is per unit, but I don't know how Russia money is. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. What's Russia currency? What is that? Russia currency is the Russian ruble. What is the ruble to USD? So 1 ruble equals 1 cent. So then essentially this would be 2,140. Right now we're currently sitting at 1,095 per dollar. So it would be 11,5650 right now, which would equal 14.97 roughly, due to the exchange rate. But this is what I mean by you kind of confirmed up a top. You had this massive resistance line here. Let me draw it out really good. So you definitely had resistance from here, kind of all the way through. You had a nice momentum wave up, but then you kind of definitely did not go back and claim that zone. We talk about our imaginary line. Excuse me. We talk about our imaginary line where we crossed over once, and we knew at that point that it could go bearish, and it did. It went back above, tried to reclaim these levels, and just didn't. So what happened? We're so close to the inflection point of our imaginary line that we kind of just broke down. And obviously when we came down, now we're just looking to find a bottom. And if you kind of look further, the last bottom that you have is at during the COVID crash back on March 13, 2020. That was the last time you had that much negative momentum. Currently you're still working on that. I think that maybe you're currently right now at minus 7,300. I definitely think that you can go back down to negative 9,000 even then. On the RSI on your daily time frame, looks like you're not even nowhere clear or nowhere close to like all-time lows. You went as low as 12 on the RSI back in March again, COVID crash, and then back in December 22nd, back in 2014. Again, these are just previous inflection points. So let's kind of jump on into BTC, see kind of what's been going on. Well, we fell below our support, which is not good. We're currently finding ourselves again at lower levels of lower levels since August 4th. We needed to maintain above it. Currently, we are literally teetering on there. We don't want to be down here, guys. We spent all of this time frame from January 21st all the way to February, about 2 weeks down there, and it was not fun. But I did mention that it could kind of come something like this for real W shape, or it can literally bounce here for a little hot second, possibly move to the upside. I need to be above 37,000. I definitely don't think if you're below it you're gonna do anything. Kind of goes all over the market. ETH, again, you crossed over again into this downward sloping trend line instead of using it as support. You're not too far off. I mean, overall on the daily, I mean, it looks like it's kind of like an inverted hammer, which is not good. Very, very bearish in my opinion. Yeah, currently we are below our drawing. I know we were making fun of it the other day. That's where we're at right now. I definitely think that if this is going to continue down to the downside, then our next target will have to be the 886 back at 2200. And even then, we didn't even want to be there. You know, a last level or support of actual support, I guess, is right here at 2400. Like, I definitely don't want to see ETH below 2400. If it does, you go below 2400, going to 2200, and if you can't hold that, you're going to 1700. So not good. But never fear, stuff can happen. Let's see what's down on the day. Man, ICE is still holding it. Like, that's kind of crazy. I mean, I know our ADA trade didn't play out, but this one's kind of still. I remember that this was high, and now I guess we can really call this the accumulation zone here. It's kind of like there. You drop down your at 15% there. So let's just say we take a long today on this. Our first target again is going to be just sitting at our first impulse wave up, and that's even still giving us 100% if we catch it. And don't mistake it, it can happen. This happened in 2 days. It went up in volume 72% in 1 day, 2 days. So it could happen again here today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, looks like you're already attempting. Maybe. This is interesting. This 4 hour one is interesting. We obviously have our down sloping channel, then we have our second one, but if you really wanted to just play giggles with this, let's say to the actual wave there, I mean, you're just kind of right there waiting to break. So hopefully if you do break, you make a measure move and you move to the upside. Definitely something to keep in mind. ADA. Oh, man. I don't know about this anymore. Broke support, and look what happened instantly. Like, you broke it. You broke 91 cents, and you went straight down. Now, the only thing right now, currently, our last level of support is going to be at 80 cents. I don't like it. ADA has just been dumping for so long that it's just annoying at this point. We've been on a downward trend since, what is this? This was back in September, August 30th, September. So we're going on 176 days, close to half a year of just straight dump. Straight dump. Like there's no other way around it. Again, do your own research, but we're gonna get rid of that trade now because it failed. So since it's failed, just means that this one is invalid. Means that this is still valid. This is not valid. This is valid. So we're gonna extend that. And currently, we're not gonna be looking to making a move on ADA until we can really see some form of positive upside. This is literally like the last couple levels. Like you can't. It's not good. It sucks, but this is why we are here, to learn and to make good decisions and, you know, talk about this stuff, because yeah, we were half right. You know, we lost 15%, so on $100 you lost $15. It sucks, yeah, but at the end of the day, we know the risk, we knew the upside, we knew that our potential $100 bet would have ended up giving us somewhere around the range of, even jumping to $1.63 would have given us, you know, $63 on $100. Let me make sure that's correct. Yeah, $63. That's how much you would have gone up, and it's kind of like, well, I mean, didn't happen. What are you gonna do? You gotta look for the next one. So definitely, the next level would have to be around now, to move to the upside. I think 80 cents. Try to see if you can find that as a bottom, as a potential bottom. Would be worth it. The 4 hour look horrible. It looks like you're still working on your way down. But what are you gonna do? Doge, our little puppy Doge, it's back at 12 cents. Definitely no bueno here. After the impulse up, you know, kind of just spot. You know, just take caution on all of these S coins. They're kind of gonna do whatever BTC does. ETH is gonna do whatever BTC does. All of them. The only thing I think, let's see, the only one that did really outperform, I think wasn't Solana. No, it definitely wasn't Solana. Which one was it? Luna. Let's take a quick peek at gold. Oh man, gold's almost there. I think gold is almost there. Luna. We talked about this also. Yeah. I mean, you failed the. This is at 11%. So if you actually took my advice and keep it at 15, and technically you're still in the trade. That was at these levels of momentum. I think that Luna has a shot. Luna, as you can see, has already been bottoming out since May of last year. And it's already kind of working on its still upward trajectory. On the 4 hour, it kind of looks like you are... Let's see. I mean, yeah, I don't like that. No. This kind of doesn't make any sense here. This makes sense. Just that line didn't make sense. Even here, I think this would make sense. Now, let me see. That doesn't make sense, but that makes sense. Which is kind of why I'm like still thinking that Luna is still a good shot. You're just drawing the trend line from just bottom peaks, backdating September 21st to January 30th. Just create a line straight across. And it looks like you're bouncing off that trend line, which is great. You bounce as long as you maintain above it. I definitely don't think you're bearish on here. Nice little green momentum. Looks like you're building positive momentum over the last couple days, which is great. Man, I forgot what kind of candles these are, but let's see. Let's see if we can't figure it out. Oh, that's not the one I wanted to do. Let's see if one of these charts has it. I don't remember which chart it was. All right. Well, you know what? All right, so no specific candle on there. I don't like that. Anyways, yeah. So. Let's kind of space bar along. Let's see what kind of looks good. Just for you guys, I'm actually just gonna draw like main extended horizontal lines or extended lines. We're just gonna go across and kind of do all of them. Kind of see where we end up. I was about to say, what's up with our music? I'm just scrolling through, kind of seeing what's up. That's gold. These are decent. Some of these look... Oh, total. Let's look at total real quick. Total. Horrible. Man. You went and tested the halfway mark on that one day and then you just came straight down. That's not good. I'm telling you, like, unless I see something super bullish, kind of not bullish on the space at all. It's kind of just on like some playing around games right there. It's like nothing looks like it wants to cross over yet, except this. This actually might. This is gold spot. Yeah, so gold. It's apparently, obviously, something we've been looking at the past couple times. Also, guys, remember, stay hydrated. Always stay hydrated. Alright, let's scan through the rest of these because there's not really that many more. That looks not good, not good. Meh. XRP, man. Oh shit. Did we go over this a couple days ago? Why do I have this? No, I think we did this as an example. I think I remember. Yeah, I think we did that to show Myra because she said she didn't get it. So, Myra, I hope you got it. I hope you understand a little bit more. If not, drop your questions in the comments so we can address them. And yeah, kind of go over what's kind of going on. Alright, so yeah, let's just look at the rest of these. Zcash, Zilliqa, meh. Nothing looks good. Sorry, Hama. But yeah, guys, stay positive. Take your eyes off the chart. Sometimes that helps. Kind of just create a plan. Always remember, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Make strategic decisions. We are open to all feedback on this channel because that's all we're trying to do. Trying to make better traders. If you guys see something that I don't, hey, like, shout it out. Why not? Ain't nothing gonna change, but we can only... It's not like we have a crystal ball in front of us telling us where things are gonna go, because if that was the case, hey, we'd be making a lot of money. So up until then, yeah, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. See y'all tomorrow. But until next time, peace.